welcome to Akshata's Recipes. Thanks for stopping by. Well, today's recipe is a baked casserole in which I'm going to be using some mushrooms, some colorful bell peppers, broccoli. So it's extremely healthy and it's very easy to make too. Now along with this, I'm also going to show you how to make some garlic bread in the oven, and that gets ready too very quickly. So I hope you like this recipe, and if you do, then don't forget to leave it a big thumbs up. Do share my recipes with family and friends, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, guys, please hit that red subscribe button that you see below this video, and once you have subscribed, click the little golden bell so every time I update my channel with a new video, you'll get a notification of the same. Do visit Akshata's Recipes. I have more than 200 recipes. So without much further ado, let's make this amazing baked casserole. So friends, now we are going to first make our veggies ready for the baked dish. So in a pan, I'm taking about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. To that, I'll be adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. Now we don't have to heat our olive oil a lot, so you can immediately put the garlic. Now we're going to add 1 medium-sized onion, which is again finely chopped. Give this a nice fry till the rawness of the garlic and the onion goes away. Now I'm going to add a bowl full of chopped bell peppers. You can use the colorful ones, the red, green, orange. Now we're going to add a bowl full of broccoli. The more colorful your food is, the more healthy it is. So give all of this a nice stir. Now I'm going to add a whole bowl of finely chopped mushrooms. Now we don't want to overcook all our veggies. We want them a little bit crunchy. And remember, again, it's going to go in the oven to get baked. So we just need to do this for about a minute or so. Now comes our spices. First, I'm going to add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of finely ground black pepper. Next, I'm going to sprinkle about 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, a sprinkle of some Italian seasoning or pizza seasoning, which has all the Italian herbs. Now I'm going to put in 1 to 2 tablespoons of pizza pasta sauce. And now it's time to add a little bit of salt to taste, but keep in mind that the pizza pasta sauce too has got a little bit of salt, so go a little easy on the salt. So our veggies are all prepped, and now it's time to make the white sauce. So in a pan, I'm taking about 2 tablespoons of butter. Now once our butter has melted, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or MAIDA. Now on a very low flame, we're going to fry this MAIDA till the rawness of it goes away. And I'm going to add 2 cups of milk. So the proportion is always equal of the butter, the flour and the milk. And now we're just going to stir it till it comes to a nice thick and runny consistency. We don't want it to be very thick, we want it to be in this consistency. Now we're going to assemble our dish. So now I'm preheating my oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I have some shredded cheese and some boiled potato which I've just sliced, and some breadcrumbs. So now in a oven-proof dish, I will be putting in my veggies first. Now just flatten it out so it forms a nice even layer. Now next go the potatoes. So just layer them so that they cover all the veggies. So I think you'll require about 2 large potatoes or 3 medium-sized potatoes. Now just pour the white sauce all over the potatoes, and again evenly spread it out so that it covers all the potatoes. Now we're going to put some breadcrumbs. We're just going to sprinkle some breadcrumbs generously all over the white sauce. And last but not the least goes in a generous amount of shredded cheese. Now I'm using processed cheese. You can even go in for mozzarella or your favorite kind of cheese. So just grate it and put it all over the breadcrumb layer. And now all we're left to do is just pop it into the oven, and we're going to bake it on 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. And there it is, friends. Our baked vegetables are all ready. So the cheese has melted, everything is nice and cooked. Even the aroma is amazing of all the veggies and the sauce and the cheese all come together. And now after this I'm going to show you an accompaniment which goes very well with this baked dish, and that is some homemade garlic bread, which I'm going to be making in the oven. Now for this garlic bread, I'm going to be using some local pav, which you get, which is some soft bread. I've just cut it up into slices. Now we're going to put some butter on it, and we're going to put it down on a baking tray which has been brushed with some olive oil. Now I'm going to be slicing about 10 cloves of garlic extremely fine. The key is that the garlic has to be really chopped really fine. Now just sprinkle all of this garlic all over the buttered bread. You can put as much or as little of the garlic on the bread as you like. Now we're just going to sprinkle some Italian seasoning or pizza seasoning, which has all the herbs in it, along with a little chili flakes. Now my Italian seasoning has the chili flakes. If yours doesn't, just add some chili flakes. And now we're just going to bake it in the preheated oven, which is already warm from the baked veggies, for just about 5 to 8 minutes. And as you are finishing with the garlic bread, just give it a grill effect after the bake effect, so you get a nice golden brown color. And your garlic bread is all ready. It's so crispy and crunchy, and it goes amazingly well with our baked veggies. So there it is, friends, some lovely baked casserole with mushrooms and exotic vegetables, accompanied by some crispy crunchy garlic bread. So I hope you give this recipe a try, and do let me know in the comments box below as to how did your mushroom baked casserole turn out. We couldn't wait to just dig into this. So we made it into some small squares like this with some garlic bread, and it was just delicious. And the whole thing is that it comes together so well, so you can easily cut into it and just remove, a slice. So friends, if you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a big, huge thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to Akshata's recipes yet, guys, hit that red subscribe button that you see just below this video and become a part of Akshata's recipes family. Once you have subscribed, just click on the golden bell that you see below the video. That will give you a notification that every time I upload a new video, you'll get a message for the same. Do visit Akshata's recipes for more than 200 recipes. And thank you for stopping by and watching my videos. Have a great day, guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. See you and take care.